Good morning. Today we're going to be checking to see if a triangle is right angled or not. Previously I learned about Pythagoras' theorem, whereby a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to label this triangle. This side must be A, this side is B, and this side is C. We know that this is C because it's opposite the right angle. Okay, so I'm just going to put all three lengths into the equation. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if a is 4, 4 squared, if b is 3, 3 squared, and if c is 5, 5 squared. Okay, well 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, and 5 squared is 25. Let's add those two up. Well, 16 plus 9 is 25 equals 25. Well, that is correct. So that must be a right angle triangle. Next example. Here's a right angle, which means this side must be C. We'll call this side A and B. So again, writing out Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is 2, so 2 squared. B is 3, so 3 squared. And c is 4, 4 squared. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 equals 16. That is incorrect. So that must not be a right angle triangle. That's all you do. Just literally put the sides into the equation.